everybody. In my last video you have seen I had made this necklace. So now I'm going to make the matching earrings of this necklace. So I have taken the same color of quilling stripes. Like here I have taken the brown stripes, 5 brown stripes and 5 pink stripes. So like the same, first you have to apply the glue and then you have to paste with this pink stripe, this stripe, and the same you have to paste rest of these stripes also. Like with this stripe you have to paste the pink stripe. Now I have pasted all the stripes and then you have to quill these stripes. And make a tight coil like this. Now I have to make this same leaf design. So I have taken this pink stripe and brown stripe. So first I will fold this pink stripe and cut it into half. Then I will take this brown stripe and then I will fold it like half, and again I will fold it into half. Now this will become 1/4 of the stripe, so I will cut it from here. So now I will paste these 2 stripes here, apply the glue here and paste these 2 stripes here. Now same you have to quill it. Now just leave it a little bit loose and apply the glue here. Paste it here and press it here, from here, to give it a petal like shape. Make 5 pieces like the same. Now apply the glue and paste it. Now make one. Now paste it here like this. And apply the glue on this. Apply the glue and let it dry. Apply the glue and leave it to dry. So when it will dry, it will become like this. Now you have to take 2 jump rings and 2 hooks of the earrings. Now you can open this jump ring like this. So now after opening it, you have to put this in the earring like this. Now you have to close it from here. Now take the hook and put it into the jump ring like this and close it. Now you have to join it and make the earring ready like this. This is your earring which is ready. Like this you can make this earring, and like the same you can make another pair also like this. Thanks for watching my video.